Hello and welcome to a new lesson: Meaning, Definitions, Importance of Finance. English for students of economics. Lecture-2. Let's discuss each one of the elements of this lesson in detail. Meaning of finance. It refers to the management of money. But how is money managed? And how do we do it? Let's see. How do individuals, businesses, and organizations manage their money and assets? How do people make money and invest money? We have next point. Why do people borrow and lend money? And we have another question. What is the profit and loss involving money? So all these four most important questions refer to the way we manage our money. We spend our money. We take care of our money into our different activities of life. We continue our discussion about meaning of finance. Briefly, it is the systematic study of not only financial management but also financial institutions which control money, such as. So what we come to the point is that finance is not about management of money, management of wealth, management of assets, but it is also about financial institutions which control money, which regulate money, which make money happen, which generate money, which make money available to the public, to the people, such as public and private enterprises, banks and investors, and all those agencies that regulate money, that control money, all those financial institutions which influence our social activities of life through control of money. That is basically the meaning of finance. Now let's talk about definitions of finance by great writers. L.J.Gitman quoted as, "Finance can be defined as the art and science of managing money." When we say art of managing money, that is your creative way of spending money, using money. And when we say science of managing money, that is your logical way of investing money, your scientific approach toward spending money, where and how reasonable it is to spend the money. That is the point of discussion here. Now we have another definition given by Schall and Hally, said that finance is a body of facts, principles, and theories dealing with raising and using of money by individuals, businesses, and governments. So finance is also about a collection of facts, principles, and theories in which we apply our mind, we apply our critical thinking, how to raise and use money. And this can be done by individual persons, by big business enterprises, or even by the government. We continue our discussion. We have the next definition given by E.W. Walker, stated as, activities of a business concern relevant to financial planning, coordinating, control, and their application is called finance. So finance is just not about the management of money, but also about your financial planning, how you plan, how to spend the money. How do you coordinate between two individuals, two enterprises in investing the money, in generating the money, how you control, and how your knowledge of the management of money is being applied to the overall health of financial improvement is called finance. So these are some of the most important definitions given by important writers. Now we continue our discussion, and that is to say, definitions of finance by common people. What common people like me and like you think of finance? Let's discuss. The process of raising funds or capital for any kind of expenditure is called finance. So normally people understand that finance is all about how you grow your capital, how you grow your funds, how you grow your assets for any kind of expenditure being applied to financial development of your life is known as finance. Another way of explaining what is finance by the common people: the system or a study of creating, circulating, and managing money is known as finance. And we have the last one in this direction. The study of the management of currency or capital assets is termed as finance. So the finance is not only about managing money, but it is also the management of currency, your capital assets, overall wealth that you have, and all the ways and tricks of money, of assets, of capital being involved in the process is known as finance. Now let's discuss about importance of finance, how financial literacy is important, how knowledge of finance is important. In what way does it help us? The first point in this direction is, there is a famous saying that the importance of finance is considered more important in times of crisis than in times of peace. If you manage your finance very carefully, then you come to understand the importance of it when you suffer financial loss, when you are in financial crisis. In times of peace, in times of prosperity, you just don't care how money is being spent for different activities in your life. But when you fall down from the height of your success, you are in a crisis, you are in deep trouble, then you know the importance of money and the importance of managing your finance. We have another point in this direction. Thus, knowledge of finance helps us understand the financial world in a better way. Of course, if you know about all the ways and means through which finance is managed, this will help you better understand the financial world. We have another one. It avoids us from getting into unnecessary risks and protects us from financial mismanagement. Of course, if you have the knowledge of finance, first, it helps you better understand the financial world. Second, it stops you from getting into financial risks, unnecessary risks, and protect you from financial mismanagement, protect you from taking bad decisions in the management of finance. And we have the last point in this direction. It shows us the way how to generate money and spend it in a meaningful way. So if you have the knowledge of finance, you better know how to generate money, how to create money out of money, how to multiply your income, how to multiply your profit. And not only that, it also helps you how to spend money in a meaningful way, not in a reckless way, not spending in a way you like, but spend it productively. That is the point. Hope you understand the lesson. Thank you and goodbye.